Hello, dear listener. Welcome. I am happy you are here today. Today, we will talk about something very important. We will talk about setting your goals for 2026. We will talk about how to move forward step by step in a calm, kind, and gentle way. You do not need to feel rushed. You do not need to feel stressed. This is your safe space. Here, you can relax. Here, you can listen and feel hope. Together, we will explore simple ways to grow, to believe in yourself, and to take small steps toward a better year. So take a deep breath. Let your heart feel calm, and let's begin this journey together. Step 1. Accept where you are now. Step 1 is simple, but very important. Accept where you are now. You do not need to run away from your life. You do not need to fight your past. You do not need to feel bad about today. Look at your life with soft eyes. Look at yourself with kindness. Maybe you feel slow. Maybe you feel tired. Maybe you feel confused. It is okay to feel this way. Many people feel this way. You are not alone. Accepting where you are does not mean giving up. It means telling the truth to yourself. It means saying, "This is my place right now." When you accept this place, your heart can rest. When your heart rests, your mind becomes clear. You may think you should be better. You may think you should be faster. But should is heavy. You do not need heavy thoughts now. You did what you could in the past. You used the strength you had. You used the knowledge you had. That was enough for that time. You do not need to punish yourself. If you feel regret, let it be soft. If you feel sadness, let it be gentle. Feel your feelings, but do not judge them. Accepting where you are means you stop pushing yourself down. You stop saying bad words to yourself. You stop comparing today to a dream. You say, "This is my starting point." And that is okay. Every journey starts somewhere. Every change starts with honesty. Every new goal starts with acceptance. When you accept where you are, you build a strong ground. From strong ground, you can move forward safely. You are allowed to start from here. You are allowed to begin slowly. You are allowed to be kind to yourself. Stay calm. Stay gentle. You are doing something good right now. This step is not loud. It is quiet and deep, and it is enough. Step 2. Understand that learning takes time. This step is about one simple truth. Learning takes time. Nothing grows fast and strong at the same time. Everything needs time to become real. You are the same. When you learn something new, your mind needs space. Your heart needs patience. Your body needs rest. You may want fast results. You may want change now. But real learning is slow and gentle. Think of walking on a long road. You do not run all the time. You walk step by step. Some days you feel progress. Some days you feel nothing. Both days are normal. Learning is not a straight line. It goes up and down. It moves forward in small ways. You are not slow. You are learning in your own time. Your time is right for you. When you rush, you feel stress. When you rush, you feel tired. But when you give yourself time, your mind feels calm. Your confidence grows quietly. It is okay to repeat. It is okay to forget and learn again. Repetition is part of learning. Every small effort stays inside you. Even if you cannot see it today, it is there. You are building something inside. You are growing in silence. Please be patient with yourself. Please be kind to yourself. You are not behind. Learning is not a race. There is no finish line to beat. There is only your journey. So slow down. Take your time. Trust the process. You are learning. You are growing. And that is enough for today. Step 3. Stop comparing yourself to others. This step is about stopping comparison. It is about looking at your own life with care. When you look at others, you may feel small. You may feel slow. You may feel not good enough. These feelings are heavy. They hurt your heart. They take your confidence away. But please remember this. You only see a small part of other people. You do not see their fear. You do not see their hard days. Everyone has a different path. Everyone has a different time. Your time is not wrong. When you compare yourself, you forget your own progress. You forget your own strength. You may say, "They are better than me. They are faster than me." But this is not the truth. This is only a thought, and thoughts can be changed. Your journey is special. Your life is unique. No one else lives your story. You grow in your own way. You learn in your own style. That is something beautiful. Stop looking left and right. Look inside. Look at your own steps. Even small steps matter. Even quiet growth matters. You do not need to be like others. You only need to be you. When you stop comparing, your heart feels lighter. Your mind feels calmer. You start to see your value. You start to feel proud, even in small ways. Please be kind to yourself. Please respect your pace. You are not late. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be. Stay on your path. Walk it slowly. Trust yourself. You are enough. Step 4. Take one small step today. Take a slow, calm breath. Feel your body. Feel your heart. You are here, and that is enough. This step is about one very simple idea. Take one small step today. You do not need to do everything at once. You do not need to finish all your goals today. You only need one small step. A small step can be very powerful. It can be reading one sentence. It can be writing one word. It can be taking one quiet moment to plan. Small steps are the start of something big. Even tiny actions build change. Even small efforts make your heart stronger. Sometimes we wait for the right time. Sometimes we wait for the perfect moment. But the perfect moment is not real. Today is enough. Right now is enough. When you take one small step, you tell yourself, "I can do this." You tell yourself, "I am moving forward." Even if the step is very small, it matters. You may feel unsure. You may feel afraid. That is okay. Small steps are safe. Small steps do not need courage at once. They grow your courage slowly. Do not think about the whole mountain. Do not think about the long road ahead. Focus only on one step. One step today. One step now. Every day, one small step adds up. Every day, you become a little stronger. Every day, you feel a little more confident. You are not failing. You are learning. You are moving forward. Take your small step with calm. Take it with care. Take it with hope. Today you start. Today you move. Today, you do something for yourself. And that is enough. You are enough. Your journey is beautiful. Keep going, one small step at a time. Feel the air moving in and out. You are here. You are safe. You are enough. Now, let us pause and feel everything we have learned. You have accepted where you are. You have understood that learning takes time. You have stopped comparing yourself to others. You have taken, or are ready to take, one small step today. All these steps are pieces of your journey. Each step matters. Each step builds your strength quietly, slowly, and gently. You may feel tired. You may feel small. That is okay. Your feelings are real, and they are safe. You do not need to push them away. You only need to hold them gently. Look at yourself now. Look at your heart. It is full of courage. It is full of hope. Even if it is quiet hope, it is still strong. Setting your goals for 2026 is not about rushing. It is not about doing everything at once. It is about being gentle with yourself. It is about trusting yourself. It is about moving forward with patience and care. Remember this. Every small step you take today matters. Every moment you try, you grow. Every time you believe in yourself, you shine. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to be like anyone else. You only need to be yourself. You only need to continue, slowly, one step at a time. Close your eyes for a moment, if you like. Feel calm. Feel peaceful. Feel your quiet strength. 2026 is your year. It is a year to take gentle steps. It is a year to believe in yourself. It is a year to move forward with patience, hope, and love for yourself. Take another deep breath. Feel your heart. Feel your courage. You are ready. You are enough. And your journey is beautiful. Keep this feeling with you. Carry it softly in your heart. And remember, you can do this, one gentle step at a time. Be kind to yourself. Trust yourself. Believe in your own journey. You are enough. You are strong. You are ready for the year ahead. Carry this calm feeling in your heart. Carry it with you as you take your first small steps. And always remember, your journey is yours, and it is beautiful. Thank you for listening today. Keep moving gently. Keep believing. And have a peaceful, hopeful day.